For over 3 decades, CNC India Robotics and Industrial Automation has been a trusted name in engineering excellence. Founded in 1993, CNC India began its journey with PCB servicing and precision machining services. Over the years, we have evolved into a complete automation partner, delivering turnkey fixtures, special-purpose machines, robotic systems, and defense-grade solutions. Backed by the Mac Group, we continue to grow with a strong general engineering. Our in-house capabilities include advanced CNC machining, VMC operations, and auto commissioning. Everything is done under one roof. Every machine, every fixture, every automation cell is a result of deep collaboration between our engineers and your vision. We design for performance, scale, and long-term reliability. Turnkey fixture and tooling solutions. Precision-engineered fixtures and tooling solutions for repeatable, high-accuracy manufacturing. Special-purpose machines and assembly solutions. Custom-built special-purpose machines and assembly lines to automate, accelerate, and streamline your production. Robotic and industrial automation. Intelligent robotic systems for welding, material handling, and inspection, driving smart manufacturing. MRO, maintenance, repair and overhaul. From restoring legacy machines to integrating the latest technologies, our MRO division provides comprehensive retrofitting, reconditioning, laser calibration, and metal cutting SPM upgrades. We also offer complete installation and commissioning services, ensuring extended equipment life, improved performance, and minimal production downtime. Delivery carries the mark of Indian engineering, world-class standards, and unwavering commitment. Defense and Aerospace. Certified to international standards, we deliver advanced solutions for mission-critical defense and aerospace applications, ensuring the highest levels of quality, precision, and traceability. With over 33 years of experience, we specialize in special-purpose machines, robotic cells, precision parts manufacturing, and turnkey solutions tailored to global needs. We proudly serve leading OEMs across India and export to global markets. With every project we deliver, we reaffirm our commitment to quality, innovation, and customer success. CNC India Innovation in Automation. Trusted for 33 years. Built in India, delivered worldwide.